Hello everyone, my name is Mamta Bhardwaj. I'm an aptitude trainer in the Department of Career Planning and Development, and today we will discuss about the course that is TDY 352. So before discussing the course content, first of all we will discuss how aptitude is important for you. So it is competence to do a certain kind of work at a certain level with talent. Talent is to solve problems within time but with accuracy. So you may have inner talents that could help enhance your career path and you are simply not aware of them. But an aptitude test, it will uncover your hidden abilities and help you to enhance them. So if you get placed in MNCs, then there are many rounds of selection and the primary round is aptitude test. So learning aptitude, it can develop your logical and analytical thinking, your prediction and observation power, memory, concentration and calculations, your decision making power. So it can also develop your problem solving skills. So problem solving, this is a fundamental part of jobs for a company. To innovate, they must employ talent that have the ability to identify a problem, to evaluate it and then implement a final solution. So let's talk about the course objectives. So what are the course objectives? This is to develop analytical and logical thinking and the habit of drawing conclusion based on quantitative information. And what are the course outcomes? So here we will discuss about the various course outcomes. So in course outcome, this is to define, understand the basic concept of work, time and efficiency, speed, time and distance and use of professionality in work problems. And next is to apply the concepts of time and work, problem on trains, linear and circular races, and to apply the concept of direction sense. So let's talk about the course content. So basically there are 3 units that we will going to cover. The first unit contains some topics, that is time and work, and the next topic is chain rule, pipe and cisterns, time, speed and distance, linear and circular races, problem on trains and boats and streams. For the first 3 topics, that is time and work, chain rule and pipe and cisterns, the base topic is time and work. So before solving the problems related to time and work, you should know the concept of efficiency. So efficiency and time taken, these both are inversely proportional to each other. That you should know. Same concept you can apply while solving the questions based on time, speed and distance. So in the next unit, that is unit 2, we will cover up the topics, that is algebra, coding, decoding, direction sense, clocks and calendars. And in algebra, we will solve the questions related to polynomials and linear and quadratic equations. In coding, decoding, we will do the concept of arithmetic to learn alphabet. And in direction sense, we will cover up the concept of left and right turn, clockwise and anti-clockwise direction and the concept of shadow. And the next topic is clock and calendars. In clock and calendars, we will do the concept of angles made by hour hand as well as minute hand. And if a particular date is given and we will able to find out the date on that particular date. So the last unit is unit 3. So in unit 3, we will cover the first topic, that is syllogisms. In syllogisms, we will do the concept of Venn diagram. The next topic is cubes and dice. So cubes and dice, solving the problems related to cube, cutting and painting. And the next one is puzzle, solving the puzzle arrangement problem of matrix. In next topic, that is permutation and combination, we will do the fundamental concept of counting and or relation and difference between permutation and combination. In the next topic, that is probability, we will do the introduction of different types of events and the concept of sample space and experiment, etc. The next topic is logarithm. In this topic, we will cover up the properties of log and application of these properties in the different problems. And in our next topic, that is sequence and series, we will do the introduction to AP, GP and HP series as well as the relationship between these series. In the next topic, that is geometry and area, we will cover up the area and perimeter of different 2D figures. Our next topic that we will study, that is surface area and volume. So in this particular topic, we will do the concept of curved and total surface area of different 3D problems and the concept of volume of 3D figures. And the last topic for this course is true discount and banker's discount. So in the given topic, we will do the basic problems on true discount as well as banker discount. So study all these topics carefully so you will be able to get a job in top MNC. Right, so this is all about the course, that is TD by 352. Thank you so much.